When talking about biochemistry and macromolecules, you might come across a term called organic molecules. Now, that term organic might make you think of the food you buy at a grocery store, but it's not the same word. Organic in biology and chemistry is a molecule that contains carbon and hydrogen, and it may also contain other elements like oxygen, nitrogen, phosphorus, or sulfur. All of these molecules above are organic, while the ones over here are not organic. Even though carbon dioxide has carbon, it needs hydrogen to also fill this role for organic molecules. And that leads you to ask the question, why is carbon so important for organic molecules? Well, carbon has 4 valence electrons. These valence electrons are in the outermost orbital of a carbon atom. That means carbon must fill its other 4 locations to fill that octet role. So what carbon does is it covalently bonds with other elements to fill that outer ring or fill the octet role. And in the macromolecules, it bonds with a lot of other carbons, hydrogens, oxygens, nitrogens, phosphorus, and sulfur. Carbon can also form these carbon skeletons, which are like the backbone of all macromolecules. You can see in the molecules above that carbon is the backbone of the molecule. And any functional groups or any other elements that bond onto these molecules are going to bond usually with carbon. That's why carbon is so important to organic molecules, more specifically macromolecules.